morning, everyone. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. It is Saturday, November 6th, and I'm at school. I was supposed to babysit this morning, but I didn't end up babysitting because they didn't need me anymore, so that was nice. Anyway, I am at school to go volunteer for a cheer thing that's going on. After that, I need to go to the Apple store and get my computer fixed because something is wrong with the screen. It has like lines all the way through it, and then after that, I'm gonna go to the water polo game because our boys water polo team is like going to the CIF semifinals, so that's exciting, and me and Sarah are gonna go cheer them on because we're part of the commission that promotes school spirit in our student section. I need to go because I'm already kind of late, but after that I'll just be doing homework and stuff probably the rest of the day, and I'm gonna take you guys along for a vlog. So I'll see you in like 2 hours. Hello guys, I'm back. It is now 12:45. I have an appointment, like I mentioned earlier, at the Genius Bar at Apple. I'm gonna go get an Aussie bowl because it sounds so good right now. It's not very hot outside, but I'm like kind of sweating right now, so that will be nice. And then my jacket says Allie on it because it's Allie's from when she cheered freshman year because I couldn't find mine. But like I said, I'm gonna get an Aussie bowl for lunch, and then I'll change wherever I go, get my Aussie bowl because I'm not wearing this outfit to the Apple store. And then hopefully that doesn't take me too long, and I'm really hoping they can fix it because I don't want to pay for a new one, but I also really don't want to send it away for like a month to get repaired because I can't like go to school and I can't like work without a computer. Fingers crossed. Let me show you. Here she is. Look at that. It's just the lines in the screen. The camera's not picking it up to its true extent, but it's like some sort of glitch occurred. I don't even know. Anyway, it's annoying and I'm short on time, so I have to go because we had like a captain's meeting after the cheer thing. So let's go. I don't know if I'm gonna Nectar. I need to figure that out. I'll update you soon. Okay, fit check in the Nectar bathroom. O'Neill, Brandy, Lulu, Vans. Here's the bowl I've already dug in. I'm off to the Apple store. Hello everyone. It is currently 2:50. I am now leaving the Apple store. My mom met me there, and then we had a little snack at the cafe that's like close by. I am on my way now to the water polo game. I'm meeting Sarah there. I will be there in 19 minutes, so I will talk to you guys soon. Oh, I never told you the verdict of my computer. Okay, it's a display issue that can't be fixed, so I had to buy a new one, unfortunately. I bought a MacBook Air. The guy who was selling it to me said it would be better for video stuff, so that's exciting. I'll show it to you guys. I'll do a little unboxing moment when I get back home. Okay, the freeway's literally at a standstill right now. There's so much traffic. I also should not be in this lane anymore. It's because I'm talking and vlogging. I'm not paying enough attention to be getting all the way over. I don't want to be that person and cause an accident while I'm not paying attention to the road, so I gotta go and not be distracted, and I will talk to you guys when I get to the game. What's up guys, it's me and Sarah. Water polo just won their game. There was a student section of maybe like 6 of us.
Slap cheeks.
Christian is probably not watching this video, but he put something funny on his story about like how the water polo team clapped cheeks, and that's why Sarah saying that. Yeah. She's not just saying that for no reason. Anyways, well done water polo if you're watching this video.
It was really good.
I don't think anybody's watching this video, but apparently we got like a really great new coach, and that's why we're doing so well. So CIF finals are next, and
here we go.
Anyways, Sarah, whoa. Lauren's calling me, but for some reason it's a bunny.
Okay. Did you not do that?
Hello?
Hello, I'm with Sarah.
Are you at a water polo game?
Yes.
What time does it start? That's all I wanted to ask you.
Okay, I love you. Have a great day.
Love you, bye.
Bye. What is that?
Hannah Hypot getting cake smashed in her face.
Oh my gosh. Anyways, Sarah's just in the car for a quick little vlog catch up. We're gonna go get pressed juice. We're gonna go get freezes. Sarah
literally had one.
Second of the day, but she was talking about it to me, and I was like, that literally sounds so good.
And
like,
I had a large. I didn't even have a small.
You getting another large?
No,
aren't they like insanely healthy for you though?
Yeah, so like I don't even feel bad.
Yeah, I don't feel bad because they're really healthy. Like, I already had a cookie from that bakery I was talking about earlier, how me and my mom went. Those cookies are like nothing I've ever had, and they gave me 2 for like no reason.
Oh my
and
God.
I ate both.
One time.
This is bothering me.
Cookies
Sorry if it's
tonight.
bothering you too.
Dude, that guy.
Oh.
Don't put this in.
What?
That guy right there. Literally his girlfriend. He cheats on him every weekend.
Wait. You know this guy? Is his boyfriend? Oh my God! He's so cute though! Wait, he's the one that looks like
He looks like but he's so hot.
I need to leave all the names in and just bleep all the names out. That is some piping hot tea.
The girl on Katie's last video that commented Rex Kwando.
I love you. Sarah appreciates you. Sarah needs to go back to her car so we can drive to Prest. We'll update you soon. And I might be going to Sarah's later, we'll see. Because we both have to do homework and she has to watch her little brother, so we'll keep updates. It's already 4:16.
Bye guys.
My parking will forever continue to amaze me. I always think I have like so much room and I need to pull up because somebody's gonna hit the back of my car. It's Sarah's other Prest.
Round 2.
Today is not a cheap day for me. It's not an expensive one. Usually vloggies first, but not today. I was digging in. Cheers. What'd you get?
I got the
When we're eating in the car because we don't want to sit out there.
pumpkin. It's like pumpkin batter or pumpkin bread batter. That guy, honestly,
And I got the chocolate chip cookie one. Sarah was chatting it up with the press guy.
literally made me feel better. He said, "Thanks for being a devoted customer."
Go to Pressed. Hi guys, I just made it to Sarah's house. Chloe's not here. I invited Allie and Grace to come too, but they're too tired and Allie has her showcase tomorrow, so hope you feel left out. I'm just kidding. Hope you get great rest. And I'm gonna go to Allie's showcase tomorrow. I might vlog tomorrow, we'll see, depending on how much footage I have. It's time to unbox the laptop. Sarah's really excited, so here we go. Here she is. Ready? Wait, will you pause this TV? We're gonna put on a Christmas movie and do all of our homework together. Wow.
Wow. Oh my.
Katie! Who threw that? Guys, look at this.
This is the best part.
Wow.
Wow.
Dun, dun, dun.
Oh. I dropped my computer in the toilet one time.
I'm so sorry. Here's the charger, by the
So
way.
small.
Look at it. It's
my
so
gosh.
teensy. I think Sarah's more excited than I am about this. I think I'm not as excited because of the price of this. I'm like, it should be able to do more for me. But I constantly am using a laptop. Update.
It has the old home button.
We're putting Christmas music on and we're gonna make some cookies. Let's do it.
Gathered by the sea, sand people anxiously. Not once did speak to me. When tides came, did not flee. They each spoke the same, had the same dreams, same pain and same feelings. Staring at the sea and what was left of me.
Good morning, everyone. I'm in Allie's room because the lighting is better, but today is Sunday. I've had kind of a chill, easy morning. I slept in, made breakfast, got some work done, and now I'm about to leave to go to Allie's showcase. My whole family is going. I'm so excited. If you are not familiar with the whole like all-star cheer world, showcases when they have their routine ready. It's all done after they've been practicing for like months, and they show it off to friends and family and things like that. So it's super exciting for her. She worked so hard, and this is like literally her thing. 1000%. So I'm super excited to go watch her. I want to show you guys my computer. I got my desktop all set up. I found this template on Canva. I'll link it down below because I did not make it. I do not want to be like deceiving. I like graphic design, but not to this extent. So this was just free on Canva, and I customized it so that these little color blocks would have one for school, one for YouTube, this Bible verse, a miscellaneous thing, and then this sticky to do. If you have a Mac and you don't know about stickies, they're the best thing ever. You can move them all around your desktop. And that's that. So I'm currently editing the video that you're watching, but I wanted to update you guys on my computer setup. Time to go. This is my outfit, and I have the clip in my hair. It's looking a little crazy, but good enough. Hello, it's Monday night. I am finishing up this video to get it ready to post for you guys tomorrow. Basically, the rest of Sunday, I just did random stuff. I had a lot of homework left to do that was just like lingering things I had to finish up. And YouTube stuff, I tried to tackle all that Sunday night. So that was the rest of the day. I didn't really vlog much. I couldn't record anything at Allie's showcase of her because we're not allowed to do that because the All-Star Cheer World is insane. Literally, other teams could like steal material. It's very intense. So I didn't record anything there aside from my snow cone and the flowers I got Allie, but that was Sunday. So hope you guys enjoyed this little weekend vlog. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe down below, and don't miss the bloopers that are going to play after this because there's some funny clips. Bye.
I'd like to give a
Sarah,
shout
I
out
can't wait till we all get married. You're gonna have the best wedding ever.
I would like to give a shout out. I'd like to give a shout out to. Bro.
Come on. Turn right. I'm trying.
Wait, no, I need a fig for it.
I like it. Good job, Sarah. If I even were done, I'm gonna throw up. Like, I have such a bad stomach getting ready because I ate so much of the batter. I'm probably gonna eat salmonella. Worth it.
Baller baking. Oh! Baller balloons, baller baking.
Okay, we're done.